over Lost Island. Our quest is simple. Defeat Volkanu and save our home. But who is Volkanu? A creature of devastating fire and rage who emerged from his molten land long ago and nearly destroyed us all. With the power of the four realms, we were able to confine Volkanu in the sacred Temple of Fire by forging a magical Oratica. Now thieves have stolen the statue from the altar, allowing Volkanu to escape. We have located the Oratica in a remote grotto guarded by 6 stone figures. All that remains of the doomed thieves. So we ask you, help us. Unless once again imprisoned, Volkanu will surely destroy Lost Island. With the assistance of the four realms, we Tamariki have developed an infernal transport vehicle for your treacherous journey. You will be armed with a thermal equalizer, which channels the power of the 4 sacred elements for your protection. You will board the Inferno transport and find the hidden grotto. Destroy the 6 demonic figures to recover the golden Oratica. And race to the Temple of Fire beneath the volcano. Place the Oratica on its altar to imprison Volkanu. Be brave, for he will surely unleash his molten minions at every turn. So blast away the dangers with your thermal equalizer. Gather your courage, adventurers, for it is now up to you.
Destroy the 6 evil guardians which surround it, and the Oratica will be revealed. Now go. May the Tamariki protect you on your journey.
Yeah, this flagship. But last year, we were out last week.
Please, help us. Without the Oratica in place to restrain him, Volkanu is free to destroy the entire island. The Tamariki have confirmed that our stolen idol is hidden in the forbidden grotto. The statues that guard it must be destroyed, and the idol must be returned to the Temple of Fire. Hurry now, before it is too late. Defeat Volkanu, find the Temple of Fire, and place the statue on the altar.
thermal equalizers and exit the Inferno transport to your right.